today we're going to show you how we save money on our children's haircut. Yes, we have 3 kids and plus tatay, so that's 4 heads, 4 haircuts every month. At the mall, it's priced at 200 pesos per head per haircut, so that's 800 pesos a month times 12 months. It's 9,600 pesos every year.
Yeah.
So we gotta strategize on how to save money on our monthly haircut. So number one is to cut it very, very short so that instead of Jesus hair, long hair, right? So instead of doing the haircut every 4 weeks, when it's very short, you can have it every 6 weeks. And number 2, buy your own hair clipper. So it's do it yourself haircut. Instead of going to the mall, do it yourself.
Stop moving. Steady now.
Number 3, no haircut. No
What?
haircut at all. Long hair like our youngest son, Enzo, no haircut. You save a lot of money with no haircut.
Oh, I'm so good.
Haircut.